Realme launched its new 5G phone under Narzo series in India called Realme Narzo 100x with a new AI Pulse Light feature. Now, let's explore the specifications of this smartphone. The Realme Narzo 100x 5G features a tall 6.8-inch HD Plus display with up to 144Hz refresh rate and up to 1200 nits of peak brightness support, and on the top it is protected by Panda 1681 glass on the top. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by MediaTek Dimensity 6300 chipset paired with Mali G57 and C2 GPU. In terms of storage, this smartphone packs with 4 or 6 GB of LPDDR4X RAM that can be extended up to 8 GB by using internal storage, and it has 128 or 256 GB of UFS 2.2 storage, which is expandable up to 2 TB via hybrid microSD card slot. In the camera department, the Realme Narzo 100x 5G sports a 50-megapixel main camera on the rear with f1.8 aperture, and for selfies it has 8-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center with f2.0 aperture. The device comes backed by a massive 8,000 mAh battery with 45 watts fast charging support, and it runs on Android 16 based on Realme UI 7 skin on top. Additionally, this smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP65 certified for dust and splash resistance, and it also includes a large VC heat dissipation system to maintain phone temperature in extreme conditions. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 166.4 by 78.2 by 8.8 millimeters, and it weighs around 224 grams. So now, let's have a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Realme Narzo 100x 5G has been priced in India for 4GB plus 128GB storage variant at 20,999 Indian rupees, while the 6GB plus 128GB storage model is priced at 22,999 Indian rupees, and the higher variant with 6GB plus 256GB storage option is priced at 24,999 Indian rupees. This smartphone is said to go on sale in the country starting from July 22nd in midnight black and flash orange color options. So, what do you guys think of this Realme Narzo 100x 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.
Yeah.